Can I log out of all devices on my Instagram account at the same time?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing an important question. Can you log out of all devices on your Instagram account at the same time? If you've ever wondered about this, then you've come to the right place. Let's dive in.
The Instagram Logout functionality.
Instagram provides a logout functionality that allows you to sign out of your account on individual devices. This is useful if you want to secure your account or if you've logged in on a public device and want to ensure your privacy. But what about logging out of all devices simultaneously? Is there a way to do that?
Logging out of all devices.
Currently, Instagram does not provide a direct feature to log out of all devices at once. This means that you'll have to manually log out of each device individually if you want to end all active sessions. While this can be a bit time-consuming, it ensures that you have full control over your account security.
Steps to log out of individual devices.
To log out of an individual device on your Instagram account, follow these steps. 1. Open the Instagram app on the device you want to log out of. 2. Go to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon. 3. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. 4. Scroll down and tap on Settings. 5. In the Settings menu, tap on Security. 6. Under the Login Security section, you'll find Active Sessions. Tap on it. 7. Here, you'll see a list of devices where your account is currently logged in. Tap on the device you want to log out of. 8. Finally, tap on Log Out to end the session on that particular device. Repeat these steps for each device you want to log out of, and remember to change your password if you suspect any unauthorized access to your account. To wrap up, while Instagram doesn't offer a direct option to log out of all devices at once, you can still manually log out of individual devices to ensure your account security. It may require a bit of effort, but it's an effective way to protect your privacy and keep your Instagram account safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.